welcome back to my channel. Can't even think what channel is already know, but she just call me my baby, and that's on period. As you can hear, I'm still at home and I'm about to go. I'm waiting for my friend. I'm waiting for my friend to get here because we're heading to a taxi rank together. But anyways, but home, kids have me. I don't think I look that bad, but under this hairband, baby, we are fighting. Welcome home. Anyways, it's a new vlog. Yeah, we're heading back to JOBURG. I'm done packing. I've set up my things. Go get ready. This girl yesterday told me, no, 6. It's 7 now. It's 7. As we speak, it's 7. But anyways, yeah, I just want to say hi. And I'm not sure about this hair, won't lie. This hair is 3 years old. And I had installed it once in my life. Once. And I don't think it's I don't think it's that bad. It just needs to behave, okay? This hair needs to behave. But you know what? I might be getting a wig. June, July, somewhere there. I might be getting a wig. And then, yeah. I don't think it's that bad, but it's just so stiff. But it's whatever, man. Is what it is. I don't even have a comb. But anyways, guys, let's prepare to go and yeah. Hi. Go.
We're going to school. Yeah.
You forgot your own.
I just got here and I want to show you something real quick. Look at this. Like, please look at this. I don't know where I put my key.
And when we're making love, your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need between those thighs. Every time
I'm taking a break. That is rightfully deserved. But yeah, it's currently 12 minutes past 9 and I have class at 10. So I think I'll just unpack a little bit and then go to class. Do I even wanna go? Hi, Bant. But anyways, guys, I don't know what's going on with this baby. I wanna want my big person. Cause what's this? I look crazier than what I looked before. Like, actually, nah.
It's a biggie. It's a country soccer. Brazil. What? Shit. Shot. And that thing. What's like that? No. That's fine. Yeah, I can. Nah, guys.
Zany boss, suicide door, brand new ride. College girls, give a nigga head in my ride. Rockstar life, so much money, I'll make you laugh. Hey, the bitch fake, and you can't miss what you want. Hey, off the juice, coding got me tripping. is mine. Another day. Money calling, strange. There's any boss, suicide door, brand new bag. College girls, give a nigga head in my ride. Rockstar life, so much money, I'll make you laugh. Hey, if this thing, okay, this what you know. Hey, hey, off the juice, coding got me tripping. Cut the coupe, walker roof is missing. I think my neck was tripping.
Hi guys, and I come back. I'm super tired. Please don't mind. I'm wearing my vest because it's cold, but it's hot when I'm wearing a jersey. So I'm like, let me just keep this vest on. Anyways, I'm so tired, and that's all hot. I'm tired of this hair being in my face. Like, I'm actually tired of the hair as a whole. But anyways, yeah, I need to sort this out. And I think I'm gonna start here by the suitcase because I feel like it's filling up the space and it's making everything seem like. So let me start. It's the time of the month and okay, sure. Let me start cleaning up. Like, I'm so tired. And I know if I don't do it now, it's in my tata. But anyways, let me begin. And yeah, what's this?
Dripping out on me already. Got what you need, I got quickly. Learned yourself through me already. Got what you need, I guess, yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Get it over, tasted and call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm Jake. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You know what I'm saying. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jodeci cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller. Yeah, like controller. Yeah. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive.
Good morning. It's so cold. Like, it is so cold. But anyways, it's a brand new day. And it's cold, it's raining, and I'm not going to school. What else did I want to say? I should actually start using my tripod because this thing of holding my phone, it ain't cute. Actually, let me get it. Today I wanna go to. I'm using this thing now. I'm using this because my lips are feeling weird, like, and it smells weird. It tastes like coconut. But anyways, today I wanna go to CBD to buy an installing kit so that I can install my hair. It will actually be my first time installing my hair. It will be my second time installing hair, but my first time installing my own hair. And then I also wanna buy a mirror, but that's for a different vlog. Like when I come back, I'm gonna stick my pictures on the wall and then study because I'm writing in 2 weeks. And I'm gonna study. What else? Yeah, so basically today's about going to CBD. I know it's cold and it's raining, but I was like, if I don't do it today, it's gonna just sit here on me. So I just want to get it over and done with, get my mirror, get my stuff to install, and then what else? Yeah, man, I'm gonna come back and then I'm gonna try working out. I want to try working out because I did bring my mat. So yeah. Oh, guys, it's cold. And I'm not walking today. I'm not walking to CBD. I'm gonna take into extra 5 randa, and that'll be that. But anyways, guys, let me like actually get up and get ready to go. It's raining and it's cold. Yeah, guys, let me get up. Let's dance. Let's dance, guys. And I come back. There's a quick in and out, just where it's as in, let me just show you the things that I got. So firstly, it was this hot comb. I'm not really sure about it because lots of people don't have nice things to say about it, but I'll try it out. I mean, I'm also a beginner. It's not like I know what I'm doing as well. So I have this hot comb, the melting band, mousse, X, ghost bond glue, and this is something I actually know. Ghost bond glue and lace remover. I don't know, it just says remover. Clean spray. And all of this was R186. Yep, all of this was 186 rand. Yeah, that's what I saw on TikTok and that's what I got. So I'm pretty much happy about it because this got this cam, it's like 90-70 something. So I'm glad, man. I actually want to try installing it right now because I'm bored. There's no electricity, so I want to try installing it now. I don't know anything about clacking. Don't ask me about clacking. I know the lace looks too big. Like, do you see? Like, or is it fine? I'm just a baby. Ooh, this poor thing. Mama, this wig is big. Like, my wig is my wig is honestly so big on me. It's a that was a lot. But anyways, if my phone dies while doing this, I am so sorry. But I watched enough TikTok videos to know what I'm doing. Nah? So it's either I'm gonna use this or this. I think I'll use both. I'm actually excited. Is it open? Okay. Guys, go to the way I'm doing this. It's like judge. And then I know that you must wait until it looks clear. Then you can put the second coat. Girl. Okay, so I think it's supposed to look like this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, where is it? Now the second. Maybe I should have used this. Okay. I think this is fine because it's getting dry. Okay. Woo! I should have probably put this first. My phone's on 10% by the way, so it's about to. Ouch. As in, I don't even know what's going on. Okay, that lady said I must comb everything back. I can't comb everything back. Why is it not sticking? Bumper to bumper. Ay. Oh. Guys, it doesn't want to stick. Let me hold it for a while. Hi guys, so I look so adorable. I'm about to go to home store right now. I'm late. Yo, guys, this thing about storage, I swear, like from next month, I need to start paying for storage because now it's cutting my video short and I can't afford that. I really can't afford that. Yeah, I was saying, from next month, I need to start paying for storage because you guys didn't see my cute installation. Good morning. Today I'm doing laundry. Yeah. episode. Hi to you. Hi to Tanner. Hi to Tanner. How are you, Tanner? Hey. Yeah. Standard procedure. I can. Guys, I'm back. And sorry for the noise, but my windows are all open. What did I want to say? I want to show you the current situation that's happening because it's raining and I need my clothes to be dry because I have a lot of laundry. So this is my current situation. This can't charge. This is my current. Even if I had that rack thing, I don't have space to put it. So I had to make a plan. So firstly, I have these, right? And then here's the situation. Here's the situation. You see? So I'm hoping they do get dry because I still have another pile. So tomorrow I'm hoping to do the other pile so that I can do the same situation. Am I making sense? But anyways, guys, I got myself these scones and cappuccino. So I'm about to make those and then sleep because Katele Bandla. Anyways, let's go. Another day, another woo. Also I got another lip gloss because the other one I forgot it at home. I got this wait, I got this Essence Extreme Shine Volume Lip Gloss in the color Crystal Clear. It's crystal clear color, but yeah. Anywho, I'm going to school, guys. You know what, like, one thing about this jersey, it's not gonna get clean. It is how it is. So my closer side coming out. But anyways, nah, the clothes that were here, the pants, they're not dry, but everything else is dry. I wanna put my second things in the laundry, but I need to go. But you need to go. You are late. So I brought this. This is, yeah, I brought this because I'm about to. I just can't wait for my hair to grow, so I can go and. Is this the screen or is this my jersey? So I can go and plait. And because what the heck yeah, no, I haven't seen it and I don't think it looks good because last night I kept, because something was pinching me, because it was my first time. I tried my best, Sana, and my best was all that I Angie. Come on, what's wrong? Personally, nah, that's why I have this for this reason. Hi, sugar. Yeah. But then otherwise, I don't think I'm a weak person, but I am gonna try it. I'm gonna try being a big person. Anyways, guys, let's go. I'm not sure about taking my tripod. Oh, today is Rosebank College Farmers Market at school, so that's what we'll be doing. Yeah, actually, I think it will also go in the washing machine because should I do it when I come back? Because I'm lazy now, and because let me just do it now. Actually, it's fine. Don't mind me. I've layered up, okay? So don't mind me. Okay. Should I just go like this? Like, I don't think I look bad. I think I was just worried with this, you know. I think it's fine like this. It's too cold to be taking my toes out, but anyways. Let's go. That's Farmushka. Yes. Poster. Hello.
Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hi guys, this is Saban. Yeah.
guys. My performance, we've got a live performance right now. Can you come closer? Can you come closer? Can everyone come closer? Nice. The competition started, right?
Trust in me. I can. You said I can trust in you.